Hey! So I drove over here to Baker Lake last night, and I've just been thinking about how I should probably do a video just talking a little bit of what it's like living in your van during your van conversion. I wanted to show you a little bit around what I have in here right now, how I use it, and just what it's like living in here during construction. So I bought my van on September 7th, and within 2 days I moved in with a cot and a couple items that I felt like I could just need, a couple snacks that wouldn't require a refrigerator. And then I met up with Wes Lewis and Lana, and we just hung out for a few days, in which I continued to live in the van. And then I spent 9 days building the van, in which in those 9 days I was crashing on Wes Lewis's couch in the bus, using his kitchen and using the people who are letting us stay on their property for the build. They have a shower, they have an outdoor kitchen, and they've been cooking us meals, so we didn't really have to worry much about that. But then I jumped back in here the second my bed frame was built and my mattress came in, and I've been living in here now full time since then, about 2 weeks now, and it's been pretty epic. I kind of love it. It's kind of giving me a completely different outlook on my build. It's made me change my mind a bunch. Everything that I thought I wanted, I still want, but in a different way. I highly recommend living in your build during your build. So a friend of mine, Alex, my travel guru I mention quite often, he lives in a Ford Transit mid-roof. He has spent 3 years building out his van, and he told me, Amanda, when you get it, live in it. Do a little bit at a time, live in it. And I'm really happy I did take his advice for once, and I'm living in it. Only some of my walls are in, as you can see. I hadn't finished framing out my sunroof and a couple other things, but it has what it needs right now, a bed, which is the most important, and I have enough snacks in here right now to get me through. The downfall is I've been spending a lot of money eating out, or just more open to meeting up with people and going to eating out. A lot of money on coffee. Hopefully Wednesday we're going to continue with our build for another 1.5 to 2 weeks. Hoping I can get most stuff done, but then I'm hitting the coast, and whatever I don't have done, I'll just finish as I go. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what it's like living in here right now. So come on, I'll show you guys. Step 1, getting off my crazy high bed. So underneath my bed currently has everything I own right now. Just piled up, all my clothes are in there, so it makes it a little bit difficult to find clothes because all the hangers get stuck together, and I just kind of pull out whatever I could pull out and wear it. All my kitchen stuff's in there, my decorative stuff, my art stuff, just everything I literally own is underneath here. Then if you walk in, I lined the floor with a couple different mats, an outdoor mat, and a couple other mats just so my feet would stay warm. Here's my little step stool to get on my bed. It needs to be way bigger. Then if you come in, this is where my kitchen is gonna be. The only downfall is they open up while I drive, and yesterday I had the first incident where it toppled over completely. My to-do list in the little mirror. The fans in my sunroof. I absolutely love my sunroof. Every morning I wake up and I'm able to see what the weather is like and be grateful for my life that I live and for the air that I breathe, and I just look right up. So this is the back. Right now this is just a crazy mess of stuff that I took out of the RV. My closet will be here. Here's my fancy bucket toilet again. Also used as a step stool to get on my bed. my shower is going to be right here. So I'm kind of utilizing all of this space in here to the best that I could. Alright guys, so there's not much I could show you. There's not really much happening just quite yet, so just make sure that you keep updated with the build this week. And if you can take anything away from this, just take away, I highly recommend living in your van during your conversion. It will completely change your outlook on everything. It's quite inspiring. You'll decide exactly what you need, where you need it, and how you need it. And you could just look around and look at the full potential of what you're going to have. And it will make you a badass just living in here with literally nothing. So I highly recommend doing that. And just follow with my build. Check my description below for all my social links. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna head over and do a hike because it's pretty beautiful over here. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye!